What's up, guys?
Oh
First of
yeah.
all, today I am showing guys this shotgun. Okay, guys, this is a shotgun. This is totally black and yellow color combination shotgun.
Wow.
This is looks like a real shotgun. Okay, guys, see, this is a nice, amazing shotgun. Okay, guys, this shotgun have this trigger. This they look like a real trigger. Okay, guys, and how it work? Turn and wow. Okay, guys. Then, guys, I can show you this this totally black color pistol. This is a real pistol. Oh my god, this is look like a real pistol. Okay, guys, see, and how it work?
Yeah.
Turn and shoot. Okay, guys, another time, turn and shoot. Okay, guys, see.
Wow.
Then, guys, I can show you. This is a toy rifle. This is look like a look nice. Okay, guys, and this rifle is red and black color combination rifle. Okay,
Oh yeah.
how it works? Turn and shoot. Okay, guys, and it's have a extend. Okay, guys, this is a red color extend. Okay, I assemble it.
Wow.
So this is the proper rifle. Okay, guys, and how it's work? Turn and shoot. Then, guys, I can show you this this pen grip. This is a real pen grip. Okay, guys, this is a real pen drive. See. Then, guys, I can show this beautiful thing. Wow, this is a golden color. Wow, nice. Look like awesome. See, guys. So, guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye all guys.